Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we're looking at the FIFINE T732 mic kit. We're going to go ahead and start with an unboxing and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, we got a box right here, pretty simple, nothing too special about it, just has the FIFINE logo. So let's just go ahead and get it open. Alright, first thing we see is the pop filter. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this out of the bag. Alright, feels good, nice and sturdy. I like this clip right here. I have another one, does not look like that. That looks a lot better. Alright, let's put it off to the side. Next, we have a support card. The way you can contact them if you have any issues, which is always great. And then we have the user manual, so let's take a look. Tells you everything that comes in your kit, gives you advice about mic placement and how to put it together. Alright, let's put that aside. Now let's take a look at the kit itself. Okay, wow, looks awesome. Alright, what do we got here? Here we have replacement, looks like pads for the pop filter, which is pretty cool. Alright. Let's put that off to the side. Next we have the arm itself. Oof, nice and heavy, sturdy feeling. No clicking or anything when I open it up. Nice and smooth. Pretty good. Alright, let's take a look at the mic itself because that's what we're here to review. Nice and hefty. Great materials, it feels like. Beautiful mic. I'm gonna have fun with that. Let's put that down. Let's see what else comes here. We have the foam cover that goes on top of the mic. We have an adapter. We'll look at that in just a second. We have the vise that goes with the arm in order to put it on a table. USB cable that goes from your mic to your computer. And a stabilizer microphone holder that will connect to the arm. Pretty cool. I love the red on there. It's nice and contrast. Alright, let me show you really quick how to put the arm together. So you want to open it up like that. You're going to need this vise. So the arm is going to go into the vise just like this. Alright, and you can pick which side you want to have it. On a picture it has it like this, so that's just what we're gonna do. You're gonna tighten it. Alright, and that part is done. Next, on the other side, you want to take off the adapter that it already has on there because the stabilizing microphone holder already has one in it. So you're gonna tighten that onto there and you are done. Something really quick that I almost missed in the kit is this separate holder, so you can have it on your table if you don't want to use the arm, which I think is really cool of them to add. Okay, next we're going to put the microphone. So wherever the logo is pointing, that is the front of the microphone, so you can decide where you want to put it. So you want to hold it open like this and then let go and it'll tighten up. Okay, let me show you how to put on the pop filter. You want to get the holder like this with the tightener facing down. Choose where up and down the arm you want to put it up. I'm going to put it right here, tighten it up, and that's it. Alright, let's run some tests now. So like I've done in the past when I do reviews like this, all the voiceover audio was recorded with the FIFINE T732 microphone. And as you can see, the sound is terrific. I love this thing. I don't even know how else to express it. So what I want to do, I want to show you guys a little bit of a test here with just hearing the raw audio. Now, of course, when I do the voiceover, I always do a little bit of cleanup here and there, but I want you guys to hear what it sounds like just purely raw audio, and it sounds great. I probably don't even need to clean it up, but I just do it because I'm OCD about it. But so let's take a look at that test right now. So this is raw audio recorded on the FIFINE T732 microphone. So as you can see, it sounds pretty amazing without any cleanup at all. One of my other microphones that I've been using from FIFINE has become my main microphone to use. Same thing. The quality of these things is just fantastic. They don't skimp out. They don't use cheap materials. The thing is terrific. Highly recommend it. I think the audio speaks for itself, quite literally. So like I mentioned when I was doing the actual unboxing, this whole thing, the materials are great. I had a mic that I originally bought for doing podcasts and voiceovers like this, and it just turned out terrible. It had a similar arm like this. It fell apart because it was made out of really cheap material. The microphone itself was not great, but this thing is sturdy. The material it's made out of, like, you know it's not cheap. I'm not worried about this thing falling apart like I did with the other cheap mic that I was using. And I gotta say, FIFINE is such a great company that makes quality products. Me and my friends started a podcast, which I'll put a little link down here for it and a little logo. But I was using a different mic for it, and I switched over to another one of FIFINE's microphones as my main mic to use because the sound was just great and totally blew the other mic that I had out of the water. And now that I have this one, I think this one might become my main mic for the podcast. It's so easy to set up. It takes little time to do it. And like I keep saying, it's sturdy, the materials are great, and the sound is amazing. Even if you already have a mic and you want to upgrade, this is definitely the one to use to upgrade. All you have here is just a USB cable that connects to your microphone and it goes into your computer. That's it. You don't need any adapters, nothing like that. Also, if you don't have the room or you don't like the armature system, you just don't want to use that part, the kit is awesome because it includes a stand for it. So if you don't want to use this, it comes with an adapter that you can take this microphone out, put it right here, and you have a standing microphone that you can just have on your desk or your table that you're using. So you don't even have to use this if you don't want to. And you get to keep using this wonderful mic. So very awesome. I almost missed this. I didn't see that they included it in the kit, and I think it's really cool. They give you a lot of options. Definitely buy this. Alright, you can get this mic from Amazon for $62.99, which is a great price for everything you're getting in this kit. Alright, so final thoughts on this, as if I wasn't already super clear on the fact that I love it, is that it is a great mic. I'm not getting a ton of hissing from the microphone even before cleanup, which is great. Some of these are just not made to be used without an adapter or with phantom power, but this one just goes straight into your computer, no problem at all. It's advertised as a gaming microphone kit, which at first I wasn't sure what that meant, but I think what it means, if you stream a lot, if you use Twitch, it's a great microphone setup for streamers, I think. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.